You know, they call me high speed. You know, military terms, high speed is that guy that, you know, he knows everything and all that stuff.
And academics was never my problem.
I knew everything. Like, I would take the test, I'd ace the test, whether it be math, science, history. But what brought me down was actually doing the homework, doing classwork. If I wasn't interested in it, I wouldn't do it.
I believe that I was worried about the wrong things, and I made some pretty bad decisions with choosing not to go to school and things.
I started drinking, smoking, all that. Then I wasn't skipping school, but I was just coming to school really late.
I wouldn't do any schoolwork or homework. I mean, I knew this stuff. I was just lazy, I guess. Didn't want to try.
When they mentioned 3D print, I was like, oh, that's for geeks. I don't want to sign up for that. I became more interested in class when we took the trip to Rock Hill to 3D Systems. And I was like, this is not for geeks, this is for anybody.
3D deals with a lot of measurements, a lot of exact points. You gotta make sure, is this the right step before you keep on going? So you gotta do it step by step. So you gotta think before you act and learn from your mistakes.
3D and the ThinkLink program basically solidified what I already knew, that designing is something that I really want to do. I'm pretty sure I'll be using like a CAD program or something when it comes to architecture, so it all works out.
I mean, I always liked science, but never thought I'd want to actually make it a career. Until after the bioengineering, being in the labs, seeing what they do. I like the medical opportunities that it provides with creating bones, blood vessels, nerves. Seeing the steps behind what they do kind of made me more interested in it because it's more like a puzzle on how to solve something or how to find something new. That was pretty cool. It kind of showed me what I wanted to do in the future.
This program particularly helped me with a lot of my faults, like things I got to make improve. There's people that know stuff that I don't know, and they don't know things that I know. So, you know, it helped me out. We helped each other back and forth, you know.
At first I thought, I was like, we can't make no robo hand. And as we started printing out the parts and I started putting it together, I was like, wow. And I was trying it on. It was really, it's cool. It's really cool. I now have a way to express myself.
It's worth the time put into it. You learn a lot and you know, you can do a lot.
It's a 3D printing thing and a challenge thing really made me a better person, as well as the way I think.
Frustration was a big problem for me. So starting off, if I didn't get an object the way that I liked it, I was frustrated. When I started learning more and I got used to using the program, frustration wasn't my problem anymore. Like, yeah, I got a little bothered, but it was never to that extent because I'm like, hey, this is nothing. By the end of this, I'll have something great.
If I make a mistake or get something wrong once, it's not the end of it. Try again. Try again and try again.
Learning different ways to figure out problems. Like, there's not just one way to do something with the program, trial and error. So it kind of goes along hand in hand with life.
If it's something that's hard, don't try to get the easier around it. Keep going straight, because if you keep going straight and keep playing with this stuff, you may find something new.
It may be a little too complex at first, but if you modify it, like, it doesn't have to change completely. Just make it work for you and what you know.
Don't get yourself mad because you can't do something, just learn how to do it.
You can do anything that you put your mind to. The sky's the limit, and you should never doubt yourself about anything.